A big question that a lot of guitar teachers get is, how do I play chords and single notes at the same time? That means that while that chord is ringing out, I've got access to all these other notes. Here's the next position. This is our D string root. That one. So I'm going to turn that G into an A, change my fingering a little bit, and that allows me access to this note E. So I have some other notes there that I can play. My next shape is the A shape. And from there I can use my pinky to get all kinds of things. And then the last one is this G7 and a G string root. I'm playing it up here. And obviously, you know, this is great because I've got my first finger just playing all of those notes. So I got all these other fingers to play all these other notes.